Hey everyone, my name is Christian Moon and I am a sales engineer here at Zmanda. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to perform a restore, and it's going to be a short one. So let's jump right into it. This picks up right where we left off in the last video, which if you missed was how to create a protected item. If you want to see that video, go check out the link in the description. We'll have it there, along with how to install the software on Linux and Windows systems, and how to kind of just navigate the admin console. So to run a backup is super simple. Just go to the user that you want to perform a restore for, click on the user. You can then go to devices, and once again the devices are what perform the job. So the devices are what do the restore, what restore the data. So let's click on actions next to this device, and we will choose this and click restore. So once you click restore, you have to select the vault that you want to restore from. We'll just choose our Wasabi vault, keep it simple. We can restore from our latest demo item that we created in the last video. We can restore all items or select items. If we choose select items, it will give us a little tree view of what we have, what options we have to restore from. So here I have my music folder and nothing in it, just this desktop.ini file, but we can roll with that for now. Click next and you'll be given a few options for how to restore. So you can restore it directly as a file or folder, which makes a lot of sense for this type of protected item. You can also simulate a restore, which will not actually write data back to the storage of your, or the destination of your choice. It'll just download the chunks that it needs and make sure that everything is good to go there. So this is a good way to verify your restores without actually downloading any data onto your systems and affecting those systems. And then there are a couple other options for different circumstances. So we'll keep it as files and folders. We'll select an output directory, which in this case will just restore to the original path. You can choose whether or not to overwrite existing files. So we will choose always for our case. And you're also able, a couple advanced options here, to prefer temporary files instead of RAM. This will use disk rather than RAM to cache the indexes and things like that. And after that, click restore. And then just as with the backup operation, if you go to job history and then click on job search, all jobs, you'll be able to see your restore. So this was a really small one. It completed immediately, essentially. And you can see that the job was a success. So that concludes how to perform a restore. If you need any more help or have any questions, please reach out to sales@zmanda.com. If you have any support inquiries, you can contact support@zmanda.com, and we are more than happy to help you get set up with a trial environment, with a production environment, and get your data backed up. Feel free to check out the links in the description for documentation, for other videos, and that concludes this short series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.